Hi there, my name is Joel English. I'm the Executive Vice President of our institution, and I want to welcome you to becoming a member of our academic community. Now, if you take a look at our school catalog, you'll see our mission statement. And our mission is to help adult students gain the skills and attitudes necessary to thrive in an entry-level position. All of our programs are geared towards specific careers, and most of them geared toward an industry-recognized credential that allows a student to create a meaningful lifelong career. But really the question I have is, what makes us thrive as an institution? What is it that we believe? And I wanted to introduce you to our 7 strategic goals as an organization. First, our reputation and our record within the community is absolutely essential to us. We strive to exceed all of the benchmarks and guidelines provided to us by the accreditor and the state and federal Department of Education, and also the FAA and other licensing agencies. We want our record to shine above the others, and we really work hard to meet and exceed those goals. And the second goal we have is community outreach. We strive to mean something important to the people, places, and organizations around us. I believe that we cannot be a successful, functioning college unless we mean something within the community in which we thrive. There's no question that as an employee with us, you'll be asked to participate in community outreach events that really mean something within the community around us. The third thing is faculty and staff engagement and morale. Yeah, I want this to be a fun place for you to work, a place that you feel invigorated to come to work each day. I hope that you buy into the mission and have fun while you do it. Really, your being engaged in our entire process is essential to me. I want you to love your job, I'll be honest with you. And there's a lot of things that we do to make sure that we're attending to the needs of our faculty and staff. The fourth goal that we have is enrollments. There's no question we can only function as an institution if we're enrolling students that can benefit from our education. Our tuition dollars are the #1 source of financing for our organization. So you'll see that we're committed to growth and committed to reaching out to students and helping them understand the value that we can bring to their lives. Number 5 is program development. Now, without question, you will be involved in some way in providing input on which programs we should be offering. Our schools are always looking for additional programs to add and additional ways to feel the need of workforce development within our communities. So we're always building on the programs we can provide. We're also very innovative, and our 6th strategic goal is to innovate through classroom innovation and also online learning. You'll probably learn some new ways to teach within this organization. You might even teach us some new ways to teach as you do what you do. And we're always trying to innovate in the ways that we provide our education to the students. The final strategic goal I want to mention is campus growth. You will notice that we're always developing campuses and trying to extend who we are within the nation and even the world. I want to thank you for the time. I welcome you to our organization and hope you'll thrive within this community.